7 millionaire habits to adopt today. Are you ready to change your life and start building wealth like a millionaire? Imagine waking up tomorrow with a mindset that pushes you to take control of your future. Stop worrying about money and live the life you've always dreamed of. It's not just a fantasy, it's achievable. In today's video, I'm going to share 7 powerful millionaire habits you can adopt today to set yourself on the path to financial success. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear, actionable, step-by-step plan to begin changing your life right now. Habit number 1, start your day with purpose. Morning rituals. Let me ask you this. How do you start your day? Is it hitting the snooze button for the 5th time or diving straight into your emails? Here's the thing. How you start your morning sets the tone for the rest of your day. Millionaires don't waste their mornings. They leverage them. They wake up early, they plan their day, they set intentions. This gives them the mental clarity to execute their goals and start the day with focus. Start by setting a morning ritual. It could be as simple as 10 minutes of meditation, journaling, or a morning workout. The key is to get your mind sharp and your body energized. But here's the kicker. If you're not starting your day with a strong morning routine, you're already behind. No one will hand you the success you desire. You have to go out and claim it every single day. And it all starts with how you wake up. And hey, if you think you're too busy to start a morning routine, just remember, the busiest people in the world are the ones who make time for themselves first. If they can do it, so can you. All right, moving on to habit number 2. This one's a game changer. Hold on to your seats. Habit number 2, prioritize your health. Like a CEO, now let's talk about something that might surprise you. Health. You may think that millionaires only care about their bank accounts, but the truth is, they prioritize their health just as much. Why? Because your physical and mental well-being is the foundation for your success. A strong body and mind are crucial to sustaining wealth. If you're tired, unhealthy, or mentally foggy, you'll struggle to stay on track with your goals. Millionaires understand that to build long-term wealth, they need to be fit, strong, and sharp. Start with small changes. Drink more water, get 7 to 8 hours of sleep, and squeeze in at least 30 minutes of exercise a day. Yes, even on those days when you'd rather just binge watch Netflix, we've all been there. But hold up, just when you think you've got your health routine down, I'm going to reveal a habit that might make you rethink everything you thought you knew about success. Stick around. The transition to financial mastery. Habit number 3, invest in yourself. Education is your best asset. This next habit is something you might not expect. Millionaires are constantly learning. They invest in their education. It doesn't matter whether it's reading books, attending seminars, or finding mentors. The most successful people understand that knowledge is power. The more you learn, the more you earn. Simple as that. Set aside time to read or listen to podcasts every day. Even 15 to 20 minutes a day can significantly improve your financial knowledge, mindset, and skills. Start with one book this week that focuses on personal finance or self-development. And here's the thing. If you're not learning every single day, you're falling behind. So ask yourself, what is the last thing you learned that's going to make you more money? It's time to level up. Ready for habit number 4? Habit number 4, eliminate bad debt. The silent wealth killer. Now let's talk about money, and I mean real money management. Millionaires know that debt can sabotage their wealth-building goals, and they take strategic steps to eliminate it. Bad debt, things like credit card debt, holds you back, tying up your money in interest payments that could otherwise grow your wealth. Start by tackling your most expensive debt first, using the debt avalanche method or snowball method. Get strategic about eliminating it, and watch how much more money you have to invest and save. Think about it like this. Every time you pay off a high-interest credit card bill, you're literally freeing up money that could be working for you. That's how millionaires think. So ask yourself, what's your strategy for eliminating debt? But here's the deal. Getting out of debt isn't enough. To truly accelerate your wealth, you've got to take things to the next level. Which brings us to habit number 5. Are you ready? The Wealth Accelerator. Habit number 5. Automate your savings and investments. This is where things get fun. Millionaires know that the key to building wealth over time is consistency, and the best way to be consistent is to automate. Automate your savings, automate your investments, and let your money grow in the background without you needing to lift a finger. Set up automatic transfers into a high-yield savings account or an investment account. Make it so that your wealth building happens without you even thinking about it. Set it and forget it. But here's the thing, automation alone won't cut it. There's a key mindset shift you need to make. Stick around because I'm about to reveal this last habit. It will change everything. Habit number 6, surround yourself with the right people. This next habit is huge. Millionaires understand that success is contagious, and they surround themselves with like-minded, positive, and ambitious people. Your network is your net worth. If you're surrounded by people who constantly complain, aren't striving for greatness, or don't understand your financial goals, it's going to be tough to succeed. Start building your network. Attend events, find mentors, and seek out people who inspire you to level up. Your circle will shape your future. Think about your inner circle right now. Are they helping you grow, or are they dragging you down? Your circle is either your ladder to success or your anchor to failure. Choose wisely. Habit number 7, think long-term. The millionaire mindset. Finally, millionaires think long-term. They make decisions with future success in mind, and they don't get distracted by short-term wins. They understand the importance of delayed gratification, sacrificing today for a better tomorrow. Start thinking about your future with every decision you make. Ask yourself, will this bring me closer to my long-term goals? And here's the million-dollar question. Are you playing the short game or the long game? Because let me tell you, your future self will thank you for the decisions you make today. And guess what? That long-term thinking, it's what separates the dreamers from the doers. So there you have it, 7 millionaire habits to adopt today. If you want to build real wealth and transform your life, it's time to take action. Don't wait for the perfect moment, start now. The best time to start building wealth was yesterday. The second best time is right now. Which of these habits are you going to start adopting today? Leave me a comment below and let's discuss which one resonates with you the most. If you found this video valuable, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more. Your millionaire journey starts now.